Okay, the built-in function polydep can be used to calculate the derivative of a single polynomial. So if I have a polynomial and if I want to differentiate it, I can use this polydep function. Okay, for example, if I want to differentiate 3x squared minus 2x plus 4, first I have to enter it as a polynomial using coefficients. So I can say p is equal to 3 minus 2 4. Three minus 2 4. Okay, then I can go polydep p. I get I get 6 and 2, which are the coefficient of 6x minus 2. Okay, then I can use to polydep to differentiate a product of polynomial using the product rule, and I get the results when I simplify it. Okay, for example, if I differentiate fg using the product rule and simplify it, I will get, if I take the product of f and g, and you can test by simplifying it, you can get 12x squared minus 6x squared. I am using a pre-simplified result. Okay, plus 38x minus 10. Okay, you can see that. Okay, differentiate using the product rule, you will get this result. Okay, so polydep can be used as a product. I can do g is x squared plus 5, so I can create g not x squared, so the coefficient of x squared is 1, coefficient of x is 0, and constant term is 5. Okay, I can give this as my polynomial g, then I can go polydep p gamma g. Okay, I won't use the semicolon, I can see the result. So I get 12 minus 6 38 and minus 10. Okay, those are the coefficient of the polynomial derivative of f times g. Okay, so if you differentiate using product rule and simplify it, you will get this. Okay, you can directly get the derivative of the product like that. Okay, same way you can get the derivative of the quotient. Okay, f over g, if you differentiate this using quotient rule and simplify, and if you keep the numerator and the denominator, you will get 12 x squared plus 22 x minus 10 over x squared plus x to the 4 x to the 4 plus 10x squared plus 25. Okay, 10x squared (25). This is the numerator and the denominator. You can get that using the polyday command. It's the same as the product, but you give the output numerator and the denominator. Okay, first one is the numerator and the second one is the denominator. Here we'll give P, G. Oh, sorry, I said poly instead of polyday. Okay. Okay, see the numerator 2 plus 20 x minus 10 1 0 10 0 25. So that is the numerator and the denominator of the here. Okay, so just to differentiate a polynomial you use this command. Okay, get the differentiation of the product of two polynomials using the product rule, you use this command. Okay, K, and to get the differentiation of a quotient of two polynomials using quotient rule, you use this one, but answer you use it in the numerator and the denominator here. Okay, so this N and D, first one is the numerator and second one is the denominator. Of course you can use different letters, but as the first one you get the numerator of the fraction, resulting fraction, and the second one argument is the denominator. Okay, notice that only difference between these two commands, when you use the product and quotient rule, this output. Okay, quotient rule you use output n equals d, then it will know it have to take the quotient of these two, and if you just give one argument it will take the product of these two. Okay, so to get the derivative using the product of two polynomials, you will use this one, and then to get the derivative of quotient of two polynomials you use this command. මේක පළවෙනි එක පාවිච්චි කරොත් පොලිනෝමියල් එක ඩිෆරෙන්ෂিয়েට් කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේක ගත්තොත් මම දැන් p කියන පොලිනෝමියල් එක ඩිෆරෙන්ෂিয়েට් කරොත් එන්නේ 6x minus 2. එතකොට p වල coefficient දීලා polyday p කිව්වම differentiation එකේ coefficient එනවා 6x minus 2. Okay, product එකක් differentiate කරන්න ඕන නම් polynomial දෙක polyday pg පාවිච්චි කරනවා. එතකොට product එක differentiate කරන උදාහරණයක් හැටියට මේ polynomial දෙක product rule එක දාලා differentiate කරලා simplify කරලා දෙන්නේ මේ උත්තරේ. ඒ උත්තරේ එනවා මේ command එක පාවිච්චි කරාම. okay. quotient එක ඕනනම් polynomial දෙකක මෙතන nd කියලා output දෙකක් දෙන්න ඕන. එතකොට n එකේ ඉන්නේ numerator එක යට එන්නේ denominator එක. හරි. එතකොට මෙතන f over g අපි quotient rule එක දාලා differentiate කරලා simplify කරලා numerator එකයි denominator එකයි වෙනම තියාගත්තොත් අපිට එන්නේ මේ form එක. එතකොට ඒ form එකේ උත්තරේ තමයි දෙන්නේ numerator එකයි denominator එකයි. මෙතන මම quotient rule එක දාලා numerator එක simplify කරලා likely terms combine කරලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒක එතකොට nd කියලා දැම්මම එනවා. මෙතන product rule එකයි quotient rule එකද quotient එකද product එකද කියන එක පාවිච්චි වෙන්නේ. මෙතන මම nd දෙනවද මෙතන එකක් දෙනවද කියලා. ඕනනම් මට එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන්. මෙහෙම දීලා store කරන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම දුන්නොත් එන්නේ product rule එක. okay. so if I even give d equal this, I get the product rule. okay.